Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into an administrator account and verify the Microsoft account tied to the store. Next, install pending Windows updates and restart so system files match store expectations. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Apps, find Microsoft Store, choose Advanced Options, and trigger Reset. This clears cache and app data but keeps your licenses intact. Resetting first removes common corruption and often fixes the server stumbled message before deeper troubleshooting. Now repair services and cached layers. Run WS Reset. EXE. It clears the store cache and often resolves server errors quickly. Wait for the command window to finish. Make sure essential services run, Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer, and Windows Time. These affect licensing, downloads, and certificates. If problems persist, use PowerShell as admin. Remove the Microsoft Store package and then reinstall it from the Microsoft Store Apps package or using Add Apps package commands. Finish by addressing network and account issues. Flush DNS with ipconfig/flushdins and reset the network adapter. Try a different network to rule out ISP or proxy problems. Once done, sign out and back into your Microsoft account, run the Windows Store troubleshooter, and make sure system date and time are accurate because certificate checks depend on them. If the error persists, create a new local user or perform an in-place Windows repair to preserve apps while fixing system corruption. This is the last reliable step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.